Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up face unlock on Motorola Moto G52. Let's go! So guys, all we need to do is click here on settings, then scroll down a little bit to security and privacy. We click it, then we scroll down again, device lock, face unlock, you confirm your current password, then you click setup and you scan your face so it can see your eyes, so because it unlocks your face by eyes and face things like ears or nose. Okay guys, I will see you after you click setup. Okay, I clicked setup. You can see what you need to remember. Okay, and you click setup and I will see you then. Okay, I already scanned my face. There will be a thing you will need to do to click done, because it will just say that your face is scanned, you click done, and that's all. Okay, so see you to show you that it works. I will lock my screen and I will as you could see, it opened. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.